齐甲 3. 弓手 1.
It is the tradition of the Asian theater program here to teach acting workshops for 2 or 3 semesters as a way to prepare for the final production. Students learn the lyrics in Chinese, and then the final performance is done in English while still retaining the traditional Chinese acting and vocal styles.
劈手按掌人手 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Absolutely. I think for studying Chinese theater, being able to physically embody it is so important. It's really critical, especially for theater performers. So I could tell during the warm-up that they had learned all the basic movements. They also knew the names of the movements, and that physical knowledge is so beneficial and just really priceless for them, especially since they're learning from these well-respected, very experienced performers. It's just an amazing opportunity.
Oh, of course, especially with all those beautiful costumes. And actually, I watched them very carefully, and they all did a very good job. I mean, they're young and eager, but of course, I mean, with time. So I think this is very good training for them. Very rare opportunity. Yeah.
Trend of teaching, we have to teach students with not only theories, but actual hands-on practices. So this is the best kind of teaching. Students can really learn.
I think it's amazing that the University of Hawaii at Manoa has this long-standing program where students actually get to learn the movement and perform, and they get to sing. And I was very impressed by the singing that they did today. It just shows that the students are inspired and that they're really dedicated, and you can tell in the quality of the performance.
So that's very impressive. And actually quite a couple of them have some quite good talents as actresses. Yeah.
So I think it's really big benefit from them to learn, and especially we have a wonderful teacher, and which is really rare that the teacher is actually Xu Peng Lao Shi is actually in teaching in Hawaii. What a rare chance. You should really treasure the opportunity. This is really rare.
The title of our show is Madame Cassia. It is a modern musical comedy using traditional Chinese folk tunes. It is scheduled to debut at the Lab Theater UHM in early December this year. I hope the audience would come to see many possibilities of staging traditional Chinese plays being adapted for American college theater.